Nested preventive maintenance, the smart way to maximize uptime. Now, preventive maintenance isn't new. But nested PM? That's where the real intelligence lies. Imagine trying to build a complex machine by just randomly grabbing parts. Chaotic, right? Nested PM brings order, hierarchy, and efficiency to how we care for our critical assets. So, what exactly is nested preventive maintenance? A hierarchical system where higher-level tasks naturally encompass a series of well-timed, lower-level tasks. Nothing gets missed, and everything builds upon the last action. Let's make this concrete. How does it work in practice? Take Machine X in your facility. Your daily or weekly tasks are quick but crucial: checking oil levels, ensuring cleanliness, listening for unusual sounds. Simple, but they're your first line of defense. Then, your monthly tasks build on that. They include those daily checks, plus things like replacing specific filters or inspecting wear on common components. Come quarterly, you're doing all the monthly items, and adding lubrication, tightening any loose parts, perhaps running basic diagnostic tests. Finally, the annual maintenance isn't just a standalone event. It's a comprehensive overhaul that includes all those quarterly, monthly, and daily tasks, plus advanced diagnostics, and any pre-planned major repairs or component replacements. See how it nests. You're ensuring everything is covered logically and efficiently. Who's leveraging this powerful approach? Frankly, any industry where equipment reliability is non-negotiable. In manufacturing, it's the backbone for keeping production lines, robotics, and assembly equipment humming. In healthcare, it's critical for life-saving devices like MRI machines and ventilators. Energy and utilities rely on it for power plants, turbines, and ensuring our grid systems are robust. And in transportation and logistics, from massive vehicle fleets to aircraft and rail systems, nested PM keeps things moving safely and on schedule. Essentially, if you're managing complex, high-value equipment with diverse maintenance needs, nested PM is for you. Alright, you're convinced. But how do you design an effective nested PM plan? It's a systematic process. Step 1. List everything that needs preventive maintenance. Categorize them. Most importantly, prioritize your critical assets, those that bring operations to a screeching halt if they fail. Step 2. Dig into manufacturer guidelines. Consider your specific operating conditions, load, temperature, environment. And crucial in the age of IoT, analyze past failure patterns. What breaks, why, and when? Step 3. Build your hierarchy. This is where you define those layers: daily, monthly, quarterly, annual, or whatever intervals make sense for your assets. Remember, each higher level should automatically include the tasks from the levels below it. No duplication. Step 4. Assign specific time intervals. High usage or critical equipment might need more frequent checks. Assets in harsh environments? Shorter intervals. The goal is balance, thoroughness without overloading your team. Step 5. Leverage technology, your CMMS is key. Step 6. Implement, monitor, and continuously improve. And as you develop this, always keep these factors in mind. Asset criticality, usage patterns and operating environment, maintenance history, cost-benefit analysis, compliance. Now, I mentioned CMMS. Platforms like Cryotos, for example, are designed for this. They allow dynamic scheduling, so if a quarterly task is due, the system automatically pulls in all the nested monthly and weekly jobs. With IoT integration, a CMMS can even move towards predictive maintenance, using real-time sensor data to anticipate failures and proactively schedule these nested tasks before a breakdown occurs. That's the power of connecting your maintenance strategy with Industry 4.0 tech. So, to wrap up, nested preventive maintenance isn't just another buzzword. It's a structured, intelligent, and highly efficient approach to asset care. By layering your maintenance tasks logically, you ensure comprehensive coverage, minimize wasted effort, and significantly boost the reliability and lifespan of your critical equipment. When you combine this strategy with the power of a modern CMMS and the insights from IoT, you're not just preventing failures, you're building a truly resilient and future-proof operation.